We will also see how the coming IPOs this week play out. As we've been talking about, going to be a busy end of the year, probably a record end of the year for IPOs. DoorDash is one of those that is set to become a publicly traded company this week. Ines Ferre is looking ahead to that and looking at some of the analyst commentary around DoorDash. What are you hearing, Ines?
Well, Julie, we don't normally get that many ratings before an IPO, but in this case, D.A. Davidson put a buy rating on DoorDash, basically citing strong recent market share gains, also adjacent revenue opportunities when it comes to groceries, for example, or retail, also putting a price target of $93 a share. But Fox Advisors has an outperform rating on DoorDash with a price target of $100, and also talking about those adjacency opportunities when it comes to groceries, when it comes to delivery of flowers, expansion outside the U.S., and talking about its logistics network and that it has value. And then the criticism really has come from the research firm New Constructs. New Constructs CEO David Traynor says that this is the most ridiculous IPO of 2020, really saying that it's reminiscent to the attempt of WeWork, saying that this business isn't viable to justify a $25 billion valuation. It's now a $32 billion valuation because they've raised their range. That the company really needs to increase its market share to 56%, that it needs to increase its margins, and also talking about the issue of profitability. For the quarter ending June 30th, the company did report a profit of $23 million. But he's saying, look, it took a global pandemic to do this. You also, if you take a look at those GAAP numbers in the S1 filing, the company also noted some inadequate accounting processes, some material weakness when it came to its financial reporting. So a lot from New Constructs, a lot of criticism about this IPO as far as Fox Advisors and D.A. Davidson bullish on the stock.
Considering the number of public offerings we've had this year, calling one of them the most ridiculous, that's a high bar. We'll see if they end up being correct. Thank you so much, Ines. Appreciate it.